Union Minister V. Muralidharan, who visited Kozhikode on Saturday after an Air India plane crashed in Kozhikode, said that the death toll in the incident could have been higher had the pilot not switched off the engine in time. Doing so, he said, prevented the fuel tank of the aircraft from going up in flames. The death toll from the crash of an Air India Express plane that overshot the runway in heavy rain has risen to 18 on Friday morning, as top aviation experts landed in the state to begin the investigation into the accident. As many as 149 people have been hospitalized after the accident, with officials involved in the rescue operation saying that 23 of them are in a very critical condition. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said that the accident appears to have been caused by a slippery runway as the pilot attempted to land on the tabletop runway amid heavy rains. Some officials of the Supreme Court Registry are in the dock for listing a petition filed jointly by Prashant Bhushan, N. Ram and Arun Shourie before a different bench when similar matters were already being heard by Justice Arun Mishra-led composition. According to sources in the top court, a serious view has been taken of the wrongful listing of the matter on August 10 before a bench of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and K.M. Joseph. It was noted that the pertinent rules and procedures were flouted in listing this petition, requiring explanations from the officials involved in the concerned section of the registry. Union Minister of State for Agriculture Kailash Chaudhary has tested positive for coronavirus, he said in a tweet today. He is undergoing treatment at a hospital in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. He tweeted that following the test done last night after showing symptoms, the report for coronavirus has come out positive. He further tweeted that all friends who have come in contact with him in the last few days should keep a distance from their family members and get themselves tested. Days ahead of the Rajasthan Assembly session, the BJP shifted 6 of its MLAs to Gujarat's Porbandar on Saturday, amid fears of poaching the 6 legislators left on a chartered flight from the Jaipur airport. The Saffron Party has so far sent 23 of its MLAs to Gujarat, out of which 18 are in Porbandar. According to sources, around 40 MLAs will be shifted to Gujarat amid reports of the Congress party led by Ashok Gehlot trying to influence them. The legislators will be staying at a luxury resort there and likely to visit the Somnath temple. Major general level talks are underway in Ladakh to defuse the tensions between India and China at the strategic Debsang Plains, which is located on the line of actual control. This is the first time that talks are being held specifically for Debsang Plains, where Chinese soldiers have been squatting in Indian territory, blocking Indian soldiers from carrying out their traditional patrolling in the region. The talks for Debsang Plains are taking place despite disengagement talks hitting a roadblock for other contentious points along the LAC, with China refusing to move back from its present military position north of the Pangong Tso.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.